Hi little champs, welcome to the science class. Be ready with your science book, that is Mastering Science. Chapter number 3, Safety and First Aid. Here is the introduction of the topic. Children, accidents can occur
anytime, anywhere, without giving us any warning. We often get hurt at home, in school, playground, or on the road. Most of the accidents occur due to our carelessness. We can avoid most of the accidents by following safety rules. Safety at home. Slipping on the floor. A wet floor is dangerous and can harm you. You can slip or fall on wet floor easily. To avoid such accidents, follow these safety rules. Keep the floor dry. Floors of kitchen and bathroom should not be slippery. Never leave your toys on the floor or stairs. You can trip over your toys. Never try to reach something beyond your reach. Fire in the kitchen. Accidents due to the fire in the kitchen can cause serious injury. To avoid such accidents, follow these safety rules. In case of a gas leakage, open the doors and windows to let the gas out. Never try to pick up anything over a burning gas stove. Never wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. They catch fire easily. Electric shocks. Electrical appliances are very useful to us, but they can be dangerous when handled carelessly. To avoid electric shocks, follow these safety rules. Never touch an electrical gadget or switch with wet hands or barefooted. Do not go too close to heaters or table fans when they are on. Never touch a damaged wire. When someone gets an electric shock, turn off the main switch immediately. Poisoning. Poisoning is also a common kind of accident at home. To avoid such accidents, follow these safety rules. Never eat any medicine unless your parents or a doctor gives it to you. Do not eat stale, spoilt and exposed food. It can cause food poisoning. All poisonous chemicals should be kept away from eatables and reach of the children. Safety on the playground. We must be very careful while playing. Follow these safety rules at the playground. Do not push or hit each other while playing. Do not play the rough games. Safety at school. In school, many accidents happen when children are in a hurry. To avoid such accidents, do not rub or push, especially on the stairs. Do not run about or climb on the desks. Do not throw things around in the class. Safety on the road. Most accidents on the road are the result of careless driving and carelessness of the pedestrian. We should follow these safety rules on road. Always walk on the footpath. Always cross the road at a zebra crossing. When there is no zebra crossing, look first to your right, then left, and then to your right again. When no vehicle is coming, then cross the road. Never cross a road behind a parked vehicle. Always follow the traffic lights. First aid. The immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor's arrival is called first aid. First aid plays an important part in our everyday life at home, work or play. Everyone should learn about first aid. Different types of injuries need different types of first aid. First aid tips for cuts and wounds. Wash your hands thoroughly before giving first aid to the injured person. For deeper cut, remove all the dirt from the wound and clean the skin around it. with small pads of cotton soaked in an antiseptic lotion like Dettol. Tie the bandage. Just put a band-aid for minor cut. For burns, to treat minor burn, keep the burnt area under cold running water. Put an ice pack on the burnt area for a few minutes. Apply an antiseptic cream like Burnol on the burnt part. For insect bites, to treat insect bite, put a paste of baking soda and cold cream on the affected area. Place ice cubes over affected area. For a fainted person, when a person has fainted, make him or her lie with his head lower than the body. Allow fresh air around the person. It gives blood to his brain. For nose bleeding, in case of nose bleeding, pinch the nose and hold it for 7 to 8 minutes till it stops bleeding. Put a cold, wet towel on the face and the back of the neck. It also helps to stop bleeding. First aid box. We all must have a first aid box in our homes and schools. The first aid box should contain an antiseptic lotion like Dettol, gauze and cotton pads, a pair of scissors, band-aids, crepe bandage, antiseptic cream, methyl spirit and sticky tape.